In this tutorial, we will learn how to withdraw from enrolled units. Whether you have changed your mind, don't want to do so many units, or just simply no longer wish to be enrolled into that unit anymore, knowing how to withdraw from a unit is very useful. I'd like to draw your attention to something called the census date. If you go to the My Enrolment tab and click Check Unit Enrolment and Email Timetable, you will see the census date here. It is a set date for every single session, where if you withdraw from units by this date, you will not encounter any academic or financial penalties. Now you can refer to eStudent to check the census date on this page, or the Macquarie University website. Withdrawing from units is a simple process. In the My Enrolment tab, on the left-hand side, there is a Withdraw from Units link. If you click it, it will show you the units in which you are currently enrolled. Select the checkboxes for the unit or units that you no longer wish to be enrolled into, and then select the Continue button. The system will then confirm with you whether you really wish to withdraw from these units. So if you accidentally make a mistake, you can go back to correct it. Select the Confirm button to go through with the withdrawal. A green text box will appear informing you that you have successfully withdrawn from these units. To check your unit enrolment, just to make sure, you can click on the Check Unit Enrolment and Email Timetable link again. As you can see here, there are no more units enrolled. Continue on to Tutorial 8, What's Next, to find out the extra steps you need to complete to get ready for the session ahead.